Have you ever wondered how to create a password-protected zip archive on macOS? You don't have to worry anymore, because in this video I'll show you step-by-step macOS tutorial how you can on macOS create password-protected zip in just 2 simple clicks of a mouse. If you follow Apple's documentation, you will not avoid using the terminal application. But that's annoying, that's slow, and I don't even talk about fact majority of macOS users are afraid of terminal. I extremely simplified this whole process, so you don't need terminal at all. And as I said, after watching this video, you will be able to create password-protected zip archive directly from within Finder in just 2 mouse clicks. More about it later. Now for the record, and for nerdy tech-savvy macOS users, here is how to do it via the command line. And again, I have one bonus trick for you, even using this way, so watch till the end. So open terminal application. There are several ways how to do it. In Go and Utilities, here you have terminal, or simply type terminal into your spotlight. Perfect. Now, the command is simple, zip, IR. Now, the name of your zip file, .zip, and now just drag the file or files you want to be zipped. So in my case here I have Mr. Gloom folder to be zipped. I will just drag it there and hit enter. Now enter password for this password protected zip archive. So I will choose something simple. Done. Now it's zipping all the items into a single password protected zip, which should be here. Perfect. So we got it. So if I will now try to unzip it, double clicking, it's asking me for password. So I will type my password. Great. And let's see what about the result. Fine. So here is my unpacked file. Problem with this solution is that if you will look closely, you will expose your whole original folder structure. So my username where it was stored on my desktop folder to be zipped. So if you want to avoid this and deliver it, for example, to your client without exposing the whole folder structure, you need to execute different commands. So I will delete this one. Fine, let's go back to the terminal. And this time, instead of the command zip-er, add at the end of it J. So ERJ. If I will hit enter, create new password, blah, blah, blah. Fine. If I will try to unzip this one, if I will look at the content of this one, there should be no path stored. So as you can see, now the original folder structure is not exposed to anybody. Perfect, but you know me, I always try to make my life and life of my clients easier. So that's why I spent the time and prepared for you Finder quick action. Look, in macOS, make a selection of any files or folders, or simply this folder, right click on it, and in quick actions, you will now find my Morgonaut create password protected zip. Just click on it, enter your password, retype it for verification. Give the zip archive some name. So for example, YouTube example, and hit OK. And in a few seconds, you will get nice message that your password protected zip archive was successfully created. Fine, here we have it. So if I will try to expand it, again, it's asked me for password. And here we have the original item. And I implemented for you inside the feature that it's not exposing the original folder structure. You're welcome. I was so amazing and prepared for you, in fact, 2 quick actions. Those 2 versions do the same thing. That means create password-protected zip file. Difference is how you prefer to be notified when the zip archive was successfully created. If you like Windows style notification, or if you prefer the standard macOS notification style in the top right corner. The window one will simply open a new dialog box with successful message. But some of you would prefer to have the classic system-wide notification in the top right corner of your screen. It's completely up to you. And I can push it even further. And from this quick action, I can make an application and trigger creating the zip archive just by pressing specific keyboard shortcut or function key. That's how I have it set up. If you would want me to do it for you, please let me know down in the comment section below. So if you also want to have this quick action option available in your Finder, then just navigate to my Ko-Fi website, link is in this video description, and download my Morgonaut Create Password Protected zip.zip. And inside of it you will find both quick actions. So just double click on the one you prefer to use and click on install. That's how easy it is. And don't forget, I offer personal help and one-on-one coaching. So if you would need any help with your Apple, Mac, Windows, Linux, servers, music or video production and more, then you can in just few clicks schedule a Zoom video call with me and a remote session to your computer so I can help you right in front of your eyes. Take advantage of this limited offer. Link is in this video description down below. And if you are into macOS tips and tricks, then you should definitely watch this video here. I hope I made your day again a little better. Give my videos thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.